Each, every, and all. Each, every, and all refer to the whole set of something when they are put in front of a name. Each. Each is usually followed by a singular name. Each element of the set is considered separately, one by one. Each pupil has a task to prepare the school trip. He shook the hand of each candidate. Each can be used after a quantity or price. We had 5 cookies each. They cost $3 each. Every. Every is followed by a singular name, indicates that each element is part of a set. Every pupil is going on the trip. Every room has a TV. Every becomes everyone, of plus a name or additional personal pronoun. Every one of us is going to have fun. Every also expresses frequency. Every 2 days, every day, every time, every 5 minutes. The idea of recurrence is expressed with every other. I take a shower every other day. I visit him every other weekend. He goes to Japan every other month. Every other cake is bad. Every allows you to compose many words. Everyone, everything, everywhere. All. All is followed by a singular or plural name with or without a determinant. It refers to a set of elements that constitute a whole. All children like candies. All the soldiers must wear a uniform. All the boys were laughing. If you want to make a negative sentence with all, you have to add not before. Not all our friends live in London. All can express the duration. It rained all day. He speaks all the time. I spent all night looking for you. In pronominal use, each and all are followed by of and a name or a complementary personal pronoun. Each of them has to bring a packed lunch. We are leaving. All of us are excited.